Hey guys, it's Hunter Dave here, and today we think we found the Bird Man. So we're gonna go hunt him, and right here, this is Pikachu. I'll kill him too. Okay, we're gonna go
So we think we heard Birdman again, and as you saw last time, we got attacked. They luckily stopped feasting on us, so we're gonna get our weapons. I'm gonna grab a pillow.
Yeah, get out of here.
Grab my gun.
All right. Find this Birdman.
Okay.
You ready?
Alright guys, we're down the steps.
All right.
Oh my god. I think Birdman's behind his door. Birdman. Go on. Birdman.
Oh my god, he's right there.
Birdman.
Ah! I'm grabbing a racket.
No, Birdman. Shoot him.
There he is. Get him. Get him. Get him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot that Birdman. It's Birdman. I come. It's gonna kill me again.
He's picking up the car.
Oh my god, run! Maybe if we hide, Birdman can't see us.
What are you doing? Get away from Birdman.
Don't aggravate the Birdman.
Don't aggravate him.
You're gonna make Birdman mad.
He will kill you and eat you. Oh my gosh. Thank God we have this hunter who's hunted Pikachu, so he can kill Birdman. Is that right?
Birdman,
Get him! Yeah. Oh my god, he's got a gun!
Darth,
All right,
you think
so-
we're gonna make it out?
No. So Birdman's got a gun, so we're pretty much dead.
We just gotta hide. What was that?
What's happening over there?
What was that?
Let's go. This is serious. Oh my! He's trying to attack the Birdman. Birdman, kill him!
Oh.
Let me finish the
This is
beast.
Hunter Dave, and I just killed Birdman.
Rest in peace,
Birdman's dead, guys.
Birdman.
Birdman's dead. I did that. I did that. I did that. I did that. He is dead. He is dead.
Really doesn't look dead. What about now?
He's definitely dead. I shot about 15 bullets in his brain.
Hunter Dave.
I'm gonna shoot him about like 20 more times.
How could we repay you, Hunter Dave?
Telling me we're nerd boys.
Oh, he's in my closet.
Wait, we need to go get him.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
So next time we're with Hunter Dave, we're gonna go find Nerd Boy and we're going to kill him.
Yep.
Yeah. Nerd boys' head's gonna be on trophy.
Well, bye guys. Thanks for going along on our journey to catching the Birdman.
As you can see, it started a long time ago, back in October of 2016, and we finally killed the Birdman. Thank you, Hunter Dave. There's no
thanks,
way
Hunter Dave.
we could repay you.
He dead.
Relentless.
I have about like 15 bullets in this. Now.